Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SIRC, MYNZ, BBIG, IMTE, DATS, GMVD, DWAC, AIAD, GBHL, PHUN, and CFVI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. You can also hit the red download ebook button. This will get you the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscriptions service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Well, what a day to start the week. Rough day, guys. OTC markets, pretty brutal. We saw 1,976 advancers, while there was 2,847 decliners on $2.8 billion trading volume. Last week on the up days, we had just 2.3 billion in volume. So we're getting more volume on the downside. That is not a good sign. The Dow was down 543, Nasdaq down 386, and the S&P down 85. And it's just simply the 10-year Treasury yields rising. Higher yields makes borrowing costs more expensive, going to hit growth. Fed going to be raising rates. Expectations are 4 times this year. Bearish bonds and stocks. So the macro picture is not looking too good. We saw the VIX jumping today. For those of you, if you trade the indices, if you trade options on them or trade futures, you have an inverse correlation. S&P down while VIX and bond yields were up. So it's you go long TNX, the 10-year yield, and the VIX, and you short the S&P. So that was the pair trade yesterday, and it worked really well. But diving in here, SIRC, MYNZ, BBIG, and IMTE. I discussed all these over the weekend, guys, and these 4 had a big day. SIRC up 37%, MYNZ up 27%, BBIG up 27%, and IMTE up 19% on an overall bad day. Guys, you can't be greedy in these markets. When these markets are getting crushed and you're up 27, 30%, 40%, please take those profits. You got to be nimble. Cash is a position where you can make money. You take advantage of it and move on. This is not a market where you want to be loading up and saying it's going to 10x. It's going to 10x. You could really get yourself caught in a vice. So we recommend be nimble, buy dips, sell rips. and right now you want to have less positions on and conserve your cash for right opportunities. If you go in and scalp opportunities, you know, make 20%, 30%, you got to do it. So, you know, again, you know, I follow the market, I listen to the market, and this is what the market is telling me, and this is what you got to do to make money in these markets right now. SIRC, this is the first one. I didn't like the close on Friday. I talked about that over the weekend, and I said it'd be interesting to see what the price action was going to be today. On Friday, had big news. It opened at 47 cents. Or opened at 46 cents, ran to 55 cents, closed at 42.62. So it closed right at near the lows of the day. That's usually a bearish sign, but today the company put out a PR. Big news. They're getting ready. They have 7 planned acquisitions, which would bring in over 78 million in projected annual revenue. So SIRC is just this company is just going gangbusters. They're going to be this is a prime uplisting play. The news on Friday was they reported Q3 revenues increased 964% year over year to a record 48.2 million. So you know, when everyone's playing these pennies or pinks that are, you know, potential merger candidates, have no revenues, have just a business plan. This is a bona fide deal with real revenues and making major new moves. They're doing acquisitions. SIRC is one that you need to have on your radar screen. Next up is MYNZ. Big moves. This is continuing its rally. They earlier in this month, they had gained exclusive rights to mRNA biomarkers. And mRNA, this is what you know, Moderna and Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine shot is based on. You're looking here at the Finviz charts. You know, guys, I follow Finviz because they draw the lines for you. So, you know, you have this trend line that closed above this on Friday, and the momentum continued. So, you know, this is just a pure short squeeze play, low float. There's just only 11.7 million shares outstanding. So this is why we got follow through. And this is what I talked about in the video over the weekend. Next up is BBIG, another one continuing its massive move here. So it broke through the downtrend here, consolidated at $2, and the past 4 days it has just been running. 22% of the float is short. Again, finviz.com. You can enter in any Nasdaq NYSE symbol, and then you can get all the data in terms of the shares outstanding, shares in the float, and the percentage of the float that is short. So is once again with the news there. So this is just a pure short squeeze play, and we're happy to see the shorts getting squeezed in this play, whereas they're making money right now in the overall market with stocks dropping. So you know, guys, like I said, you know, I know a lot of people are like, oh, the market's crappy, the market's crappy. When you look at the headline numbers, but what I'm trying to show you is that there's still opportunities in specific penny stocks with catalysts. There needs to be catalysts. So these are the things that we look for here at insiderfinancial.com. Oh, and by the way, we're going to have I got a few things on my radar screen for the open tomorrow. Make sure you are checking your mobile. If there's news on a few plays and we get this, you know, these low float short squeeze plays, you're going to want to be subscribed. So make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you can take advantage of what we're seeing in these Nasdaq plays for our subscribers. Next up is IMTE, another one that I talked about. This one's just been a green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, past 8 trading days, green every day. So again, there are opportunities, folks. You got to take advantage of them. And, they put out news yesterday or today, the completion of the development of their NFT trading platform. So it's an NFT play. NFTs are hot right now. Again, you got to play these where it's hot, and then these guys know what they're doing, IMTE, with the NFT trading platform. So could be really squeeze here a little bit more. I am expecting a blow off top, and then we're going to correct. Remember, the RSI here is at 90. This signifies overbought. So if you haven't already booked some profits, I'd be taking money off the table tomorrow morning at the open. All right, guys. Next up is DATS. Good day today. Reversed the downtrend, up 38%. They put out big news. They are initiating Web 3.0 platform development for protection of NFTs and encrypted messaging. So again, you had the catalyst, with the PR at 8 a.m., 14 million shares in the float, 4.34% of that is short. So it was a prime short squeeze play, just a $66 million market cap. Big volume, 27 million shares traded yesterday. So great day in DATS, and everything was lined up. Look, 8 a.m. The market opens at 9:30. If you're on Webull, you can trade pre-market. Robinhood, you still have to wait for the open. But even if you had waited to the open, it opened at 241. The low was 240. So right there. And then it rallied throughout the day. Ran as high as 382 before closing at 333. Again, these are great setups. You got it. Even if you played right at the open, you still made money. And this is what we're looking for our subscribers. And we're hoping be scanning news tomorrow. So this is what I'm going to be trying to deliver for you guys tomorrow at the opening bell. A play like DATS. So make sure you're subscribed at signup.insiderfinancial.com. What else we got here? GMVD. This one has just been a nice runner this year off the $1.50 lows put in right before New Year's. This is one I've talked about in our videos. They're getting ready to do at-home PCR tests. They're forecasting Q1 revenues around 30 million. Again, market cap just 57 million, 8.64 million shares in the float. Great play here, and it's just been a nice mover for those that followed our channel. This is one I talked about in the videos. Again, we cover a lot of stocks here. We send our best ideas to our subscribers. Unfortunately, I didn't send this one out, GMVD. Even though I liked it, was a little bit concerned. It had once it cleared this, there was a downtrend line. I was a little bit concerned about getting above, but we blasted through here and got through ahead. Again, you can't catch every single one. I'm guilty as much as anyone else. When the overall market is getting beaten up, you tend to get gun shy. So it's like, do I really want to send something out to subscribers? I don't want anyone to lose any money. I want everyone to make money. So sometimes you get a little gun shy, but you got to get over that. We're all guilty of it. So if you're feeling that, you're not alone. It's a natural emotion. Next up are the Trump stocks. DWAC, which is the SPAC that Trump Media and Technology Group is merging in, up 21% yesterday. PHUN, which is a platform for mobile ad apps. This one was up 12%. CFVI, this is the SPAC that Rumble, which is the right wing's version of Parler. This one was up 4%. A big mover is actually related to Trump stocks was AIAD, and this comes as Brad Parscale. As you see from his bio, he was the 2020 Trump campaign manager, and he sold his company to AIAD, and he got stock, and he put out a tweet, boom, the new Go AI AD platform has finally automated the full stack of technologies used in the 2016 election that changed the world. Watch the customer stack up now as full AI based. So much more to come. So definitely interesting here. He's got 714,000 followers. He's still close to Trump. AIAD, DWAC keeps running. It's just going to really just keep creating enthusiasm for AIAD. And remember, when the news about the Trump SPAC first happened, this one ran to 6 cents. So we're still under 3 cents. There's a lot more room this can run. It has just a $17 million market cap. AIAD is one you want to be paying attention to. GBHL is a 00. It's Trump affiliated. They did a documentary on Trump. Every time Trump stocks get hot, they come into this 00. So GBHL is also one you want to pay attention to if you're playing Trump plays. With that being said, I want to wish everyone, let's hope this week gets better. Again, didn't send anything out today. Just didn't like how the futures were down, to start. We will definitely be scanning, and hopefully we see something great tomorrow. We can send out to subscribers. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Make sure you sign up with your email and your mobile number, depending on if something hot comes across. We might just do a text-only alert. So this is why it's important to have both signed up with your email and your mobile number. This way you don't miss any of our alerts. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a better day, and let's make some money. Let's finish the week strong, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.